G'day everyone, I'm Peter Frampton. I actually own Erin Optometrist, and I'm an independent prescribing optometrist, which means I prescribe drugs, so we're calling ourselves medical optometrists now. And I think, like all independent optometrists, we tend to hide under a bush a little bit. We just do these things for people because that's our role, that's what we should be doing. And then Pauline here is one of my patients, and she had a little bit of an infection, and I did what I would normally do. As a prescriber, I prescribed her drugs for it instead of sending to the hospital, which a lot of places do, and I gave her a phone number over the weekend, which we do for in case there was a problem, to give people peace of mind so I can come in. And all these things we kind of just do automatically and we don't even think about it. When I saw Pauline on the Monday, she came and she says, look, if I'm remembering this correctly, she came and said, look, this was great, Peter. It gave me peace of mind on Sunday. That phone number was the business. And that's when I had the guts to say, look, would you please do a video for us? And please explain things about clarity and things that are important as a contact lens wearer. So now, did I say that correctly? Is that how you remember what we did?
It certainly is, Peter. Yes, I mean, I can remember I had this problem, and the thing that impressed me most of all was, firstly, I got an appointment straight away. It was just a case of come straight in, which I did do. Within a few minutes, I'd been examined thoroughly, checked what it was that was wrong. I was diagnosed. You prescribed straight away the treatment and actually administered the treatment I needed straight away. There was no trailing down to town, no getting into any, cities, hospitals, anywhere like that. So it was ideal you were local. It was ideal that I was able to get all these things all at once in one quick visit. Following on from that, I came to see you, and of course you gave me your telephone number, which over a weekend, when most places are closed or you would have to queue for hours in a hospital, it was so ideal just having the phone number to ring if I had any problems. Now, as you know, I didn't need to ring you,
Yeah.
but just actually having the number gave me peace of mind.
Yeah. And that's what I love, and that's what clarity's about. This thing called clarity I think that this is the thing that people forget. We're so bombarded, I think, with advertising. And what I value most, or what I want people to value most about coming to us, is the professional service, not really the commodity. And that's what you're paying for.
Yes.
You're paying the ability to come in and say, I don't know what's wrong, but I want someone to look at it. And then because we can prescribe, we can use licensed drugs that other optometrists or opticians or whatever you want to call them cannot use. We can treat it directly. It also saves the NHS money. I don't know if people know this, but if someone goes to the hospital, their GP gets charged.
Right.
And so for the NHS, it's right and proper that if we're looking after you, if you're buying a clinical service from me, it's only right and proper that I deal with the service properly and make sure you're dealt with. And sending you off to the hospital is just a cost to the NHS that they actually shouldn't have to have, because it's a private commodity anyway. So it was great that you were able to come in and let me have a quick natter. But you do value this sort of stuff, don't you?
I really value this. I think as well, the fact you're local,
Yeah.
the fact it's so difficult nowadays to get appointments for anything.
Yeah.
The fact you're seen straight away and you do all the service that you do
Yeah.
for a very, very minimal cost.
Thank you for that.
Well, it's a cup of coffee. It's so good value for. It's really good value for money, and again, peace of mind, because if it happens again, then I know just exactly what to do, and I know I'll be seen straight away. I don't have this concern about what if it happens again, because I know I'll be treated very quickly, efficiently, immediately.
Yeah. And I think that's one of the most important things we need to always re-emphasise to our patients, because people forget things. And it's very easy to say when you first met someone, this is the service we're providing, when actually after a while they forget.
Yes.
And this video is partially to tell everyone else that's on Clarity already, this is what you're buying, please make use of it. That's what we're value here. And we don't want you going to doctors. Doctors don't understand eyes. They don't want to see you if you've got a red eye. You need to go to the medical optometrist that has done the job for you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.